Affiliate marketing has become one of the most popular ways to start an online business. Affiliate marketing is a form of business that involves partnering with an affiliate marketer to sell their own products or services. It's also known as commission-based marketing or refer and refer marketing. If you want to start your own online business, but don't know where to begin, then affiliate marketing may be the perfect solution for you. With so many different niche markets available, there is sure to be at least one that interests you. However, before you dive in headfirst and sign up with as many affiliate marketplaces as possible, it's important that you understand why affiliate marketing is such a viable option for new businesses like yours. Here are some reasons why starting an affiliate marketing business is the best way to get your own individual online business off the ground. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of business where you partner with an affiliate marketer to sell their own products or services. A B2B affiliate marketer will sell a product that is designed for businesses. An example is software or services that help a business run more efficiently. A B2C affiliate marketer will sell products related to consumer needs. You can affiliate market on many topics including health and fitness, food, household products, fashion, and more. Easy to start with affiliate marketing. Like anything new, starting an affiliate marketing business can be intimidating and confusing. However, if you have the right information, tools, and resources at your disposal, you can start an affiliate marketing business in just a few hours. Many affiliate marketing networks make it incredibly easy for new affiliate marketers to sign up and get their first commissions, too. There are a few different ways you can go about this. You can start by joining an affiliate network, where you'll be able to interact with many different marketers and earn commissions from their sales. You can also sign up with a network that specializes in serving B2B and B2C markets, where you can focus on one specific niche. Different affiliate marketing platforms are available. There are countless affiliate networks out there, and since they're all trying to attract new members, you can expect them to offer a variety of different benefits and bonuses to new members. While some networks may have the best tools and resources available, they may also have a very limited number of affiliates, limiting your access to those benefits. You may also want to consider joining an affiliate network with a large network of affiliate marketers already affiliated with the network. You can often find these networks by searching for Premium Network or VIP Affiliate Network. You can set up an affiliate marketing account in minutes. There are many affiliate networks that offer a quick sign-up process, making it easy for new members to get their affiliate marketing business started. Some networks even allow you to create your own tracking codes and banners, which can make it easier for you to track your campaigns and generate leads from your campaigns. Many affiliate networks also offer affiliate management tools that allow you to track, manage, and organize all of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Some affiliate networks even let you set up autoresponder emails to ensure that your email inbox doesn't get too full, and you can still manage your campaigns and send affiliate tracking emails from your email. You can earn lots of money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate a passive income. In fact, according to Forbes, the earning potential in this industry is staggering. With the right marketing strategies, you can easily earn six-figure annual incomes with just a few clicks of a button. That's right, you don't need to be an expert marketer to start making a living with affiliate marketing. In fact, you don't need any special tools or resources at all. All you need is a good strategy, a little patience, and some determination. It's also important to remember that affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to be patient, consistent, and persistent in order to make money with affiliate marketing. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing allows you to partner with an affiliate marketer to earn money for each sale they generate. Although it can be challenging at first, with a little perseverance, you can easily establish yourself as an affiliate marketer. There are many different ways to get started in this business, and affiliate networks make it simple to sign up and begin making money. It's also possible to make money with affiliate marketing using your own website or blog.